Hello! Welcome back to another video of Scratch. I hope you enjoyed the second part where we made this size gimmick thingy like a button effect. No, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's set it to 0 and let's continue. What was I telling you? Oh yeah, so yes, I'll properly introduce now. Welcome to how to make a clicker game in Scratch part 3. In this part, we are going to be showing you how to make a score counter. Because this looks very weird, the score variable, or you can just leave it. And this is, so now I just took this as a costume and slowly I wrote, wait, what happened? What happened? Slowly I just made numbers from 0 to 9. And one thing we have to remember, you have to name them perfect. Like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So that's what I'm gonna do. Till the time you guys can, I'll say, prepare this sprite, you just go to this and keep your cursor for a second and paint. You use the text and just write tuk 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 tuk. And don't forget, you should take it always to the center. That's really important, like to the center. Center means this thingy. Yeah. So 4 and 5 and then next. Yeah. Oops. And then last but not least, 9. Yes, this is all for now. The numbers. One thing I'll be telling you, this is not gonna be as good as a cloning. Means like clone. Create cloning. Yeah, but it's gonna be accurate enough. Means it's only gonna support a part of a number. Means like only gonna support uh, only till a particular number, like hundreds. It depends upon how many sprites of these you have. So I'll just quickly duplicate. I'm gonna make it till 8,000. So for 8,000 there are 4 digits, but we'll need 5 because one of gonna be 10,000. This is 1,000 and 10,000. So this is, we're just gonna name it properly. So yeah, so this is gonna be, wait, sorry, from here I'll start. This is gonna be ones. Don't forget to name it. This is gonna be tens. This is gonna be hundreds. This is gonna be thousands. This is gonna be 10,000. If you want to make it till a million, then you have to take about a, okay, wow, it's gonna be a lot more than I thought. So about 100,000, then you will need to take about till a millions. Just I'm getting a little confused. Yeah, whatever. Let's not do much over here right now. Do we have any code right now? Nah. Wow, look at the scatteriness. Where is ones? This is ones. Where is tens? Where is tens? This is tens. You have to arrange them properly in an order, or else it's gonna be a big problem. Where is hundreds? Yeah, that's hundreds. Where is now thousands? Now this is gonna be taking time. Thousands, quick, 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 thousands. This is thousands? Are you sure this is thousands? Yeah. Thousands. And last but not least, 10,000s can be anywhere. I did wrong sorting. So quickly. Not much of a deal, but yeah, that's nice. That's only till 8,000 score. 9,000 is the 999 is the max. Yeah, let's score in ones. This will be a little bit complicated, but you can see this. Letter 1 of score, letter 2 of score, sorry, what is it? Letter 1 of apple. I don't think so this will be much of a beginners, but yes, letter 1 of apple. It's gonna be nice. But we're not gonna use apple. So first let's put our main thing, which is my favorite, the flag. And in the flag we're gonna put a forever loop, and in that forever loop I'm gonna add in an if then forever loop. Not if then. We're gonna be taking switch. Wait, sorry. I'll first go in looks. I think so I'm doing too fast. Yeah, looks. And in this looks we have switch backdrop, switch costume, and next backdrop. Backdrop we just forgot. We don't need the backdrop. We're gonna take this switch costume to 0 when it is in start, and we don't need to do because it's gonna automatically run. But we wanted to change according to the what? Yeah, according to the what do I say? According to the score. We do not want it to be random because otherwise it's not going to be known as a score counter. That's why. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. What can we do? In the operators, we can go letter 1 of apple. For now, apple is nothing. Now I'll quickly do that and explain what's letter 1 of score. Explain what is happening. Score is 0. Wait, sorry, I'll just first set something. Yeah, 1. Yeah. We will start our coding from here. How many? Yeah. Till now, just keep doing with me. Go to Y. Yes, Y. Should be 149. Oh, come on. Control C. Yes, it's always gonna go to there. Oh, come on. I'll just put this in them. You can just do this until they twist and turn. I hope you got that. Yep. And you're gonna be getting that too. But instead, their places are gonna be of X is what we have to focus. 27. Y should be the same. -8. And wait, what? Oh, -42 is what it is. -42. And we will need this also right there. But we don't care for that number. Yes, I hope you got it. Yes, you're gonna go and hide because this is just our 1, because in the number 000 will not work because it's gonna go to the opposite. Yes, we can do it, but let's start with ones. No, this. What are we gonna do? As it hides because the score in the start is not gonna be 0. Instead, it's gonna be 10,000. I'll explain afterwards in the end. This is gonna be a long video, so keep watching. 10,000. I'll just quickly make it and I'll explain you guys. Okay, letter 1. Oh, yes, yes. Perfect. Letter 2 also. Letter 1 of school. Letter 2 of school. Letter. I'll just check if it's right also. Uh, uh, 1 minute. I'll just check. Letter 1 of school. Letter 2 of school. No. Yeah, it's definitely I have to set score to something for now. 105. And is it perfect? It means our score counter is for now working. I'll just change that to 0. Yes, and the second. And then the third digit. And then third digit. I'll quickly make and afterwards explain you. Okay. It's gonna take me some time. So you guys can just make the score and understand it afterwards. Because understanding is important. Uh, 4 of school. 5. Letter 5 of school. Yes. So let's quickly get a start of it. So what are we gonna do? That's one important thing. Yeah. So now I'll just explain. When the flag is clicked, wait, I'll save because my battery is running low. When the flag is clicked, you are supposed to, what do I say? Go to the position, each of these positions. And I'll just change his position because it looks so weird. 149. Oh my, what a difference. 49. This is the ones place. Whoa, sorry. Wow, that's not the place. Definitely not the place. 64. No, that's not the place. Yeah, this is the place. 60. 60. I'll just quickly set it. Yeah. So let's focus on the code now. It's supposed to go in this place. Forever loop. It's gonna switch to the costume. As you can see, the score variable. What is the score variable? The score variable is 10,000. So the 10,000 one is hidden, but the score variable this is left. So as the fifth digit, this is the ones. This is the ones. This is this 0. So the fifth digit, one, fourth digit, fifth digit. Yeah, this is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth digit. So the fifth digit is 0. As I'm gonna be clicking, it's gonna be changing. Look, that's awesome. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As it's gonna be changing to the costume of the fifth digit of score. Means it's gonna be switching its costume, means what, 0 to 9, to the fifth digit of score, the fifth digit. And like that, fourth digit of score, third digit of score, second digit of score, and the first digits of score. But this one should be hide. The first digit should always be hidden, and you cannot put score to 0 because it's gonna set score to a 10,000. Yeah, that's it. So bye bye, and next scratch video is coming up. And for now, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon, and like if you want another video like this for beginners, advanced, or whatever. And stay tuned for another one. Bye bye.